Well, okay, why should you buy Printpak? Let's break the question into two parts. Why should you buy a system at all? You've been working okay with a spreadsheet up to now for estimating, so why change? Well, you first have to look at all the other admin tasks you do, like printing out estimates, working out costs, getting the invoices out, keeping an eye on deliveries. The list is endless. That's what an MIS is for, freeing up your time to get on with running your business. Now, if you're going to get a system, why get Printpak? Well, let's look at a few of its more unusual characteristics. Any old system can tell you about maintaining records for customers and presses and what you quoted to who. But how about being able to define a job, not how to print it, but what it consists of, and then having the system advise you which press to put it on and how many pages to view, etc. Look, here's the size and the number of pages and colors. Then select the presses you want to choose between. That can include litho and digital. Tell it what paper to use, and it's done. Here's the press it's selected, and clicking here shows how many up. And if we click here, we can see how much it would cost if we were to use the other presses. What about looking at the jobs you did last week and seeing where the added value comes from on a task-by-task basis? It's as simple as this, from date and to date. With a status of confirmed, and it adds up for you. Now that's useful. And what about when you go on holiday? Who's going to do the quotes then? Printpak's expertise means that for most simple jobs your colleagues should be able to do them for themselves. Look, these quick quote templates are self-adjusting. We just pick one, change the quantity and maybe the dimensions or colors, and it recomputes. So it's worked it out from scratch, chosen the best press and how to configure it. Then all we have to do is print the quote, like this. Now, what about seeing which customers to really concentrate on? Look, all you have to do is select the invoice jobs and export them to a spreadsheet. Group them by customer and subtotal the profit. Now sort into profit order and you can tell at a glance who you should be concentrating on and who you should be turning away. The last question is, why get Printpak now? You're really busy at present, having to produce more quotes for each job you get, and with reduced profit margins you're trying to increase your order book. Printpak will soon be able to help reduce the load, but the problem is you really don't want to risk the financial commitment. So we've come up with a time-limited offer. For new users, we will let you use the entire system with full support and even train you. All for a simple pay-as-you-go fee of £23.07 per week. We don't need formal commitment. You can stop using it at any time. No upfront fee, no hidden extras, no sweat. Email sales@printpak.com if you're interested. That's sales@printpak.com. Unless, of course, you're too busy doing quotes, typing invoices, filling job tickets, modelling your costs, chasing your shop floor, filling delivery notes, calculating